Hello, Prim friends. So we are on a little road trip this weekend, and we decided to stop at a shop in Tipp City, Ohio, that I do not recall ever being here. My mom and dad have stopped here, and this is called the Patriot shop in Tipp City. I'll make sure the address is on the page and in the description as well. And this is just some absolutely incredible early prim pieces. Just a gorgeous shop. The size of that burl bowl, and this huge one here, and this beautiful table with the drawer and the breadboard ends. Love the pull toy and the feather tree and that amazing feathered edge little fence around it. Tree with the drieds in it, and these early spun cotton Santas. Love that chair with the cruel seat. It's a lovely old building. They've been here, I think she said 18 years. Tipp City is such a cute town as well. Another big, beautiful burl bowl, and the magnolias decorating. You'll see them here also on the fireplace mantle. That's a simple green boxwood wreath. Oh my goodness, and a square bowl. A square burl bowl. Never seen one of those. Things to always be watching for. And there are the magnolias on the mantle. I wanted to get this little piece in too because this is so unusual. It's a puzzle jug, Delft pottery puzzle jug.